Good afternoon, all. I am uh, explaining you about now how we are doing groundnuts uh, for orders. So I'm talking from Ananta Naturals Farm, Upanesandapalli. See, you can see here our team grading peanuts, which are dehulled from the groundnuts. So we sourced these groundnuts from our natural farmer network. The farmer name is Girish from Anantapur district. He is a teacher, government teacher, and he practices natural farming since 4 years. Same farmer from same farmer we have given watermelons also last year to our team, and this year he has grown the groundnut crop and he has given all groundnuts to us. So we procured a week back, and then after that we did extensive process to cleaning the groundnut. After that we dehulled. After that we got the seeds. From the seeds we have done a lot of cleaning, grading, sorting, and then now you can all these women from our village Upanesandapalli grading all these groundnuts, and which after that you can see all the groundnuts which are graded. In this there will be a little smaller, and most of them are big. You can see little smaller groundnuts, but which all are good. So no need to think that all the ground, because which is not very developed. It's a developed variety which is good for natural farming. So these seeds can be stored for up to 60 days in a container after heating in the pan little, and later you can use for preparing chutneys and any rice items and or anything like. So this is our packing facility where we regularly procure our fruits and all other non-perishable products, and further we clean, grade, sort, and then pack it. So the groundnuts we are making ready for our orders. So we'll clean today, and we'll start packing orders from tomorrow for the Sunday delivery. So we'll take orders till tomorrow evening, and then we'll start packing on Saturday. And this time we will after this delivery we may have delivery after maybe end of the month or June first week. Please plan accordingly to place orders to keep it your order. And few people ask whether it is dried, and so this time we have dried properly, and then after that we are packing it, and we are taking out all the damaged seeds from this, and so we are taking out all the damaged seeds from here. So these seeds further will be used for this is also good, but these seeds will be used for the making cold press oil again actually. So you can see all the facility here. So and this is our farm where we get regularly our fruits from our farmer network, and we pack it here. Further we send for deliveries to the Bangalore actually. So here we have the 30 acres farm where we have horticulture crops like pomegranate, grapes, sweet lime, and papaya, but these fruits are not ready. And what happened, we are planning to make it oil also, but our oil cold press oil setup got problem yesterday, so the rod got broken actually. Because of that we could not able to bring you cold press oil this week, and we don't know when because of the lockdown the materials also not available, the mechanics also not available, and we need to bring this from Tamil Nadu. So we don't know when the again it will come back. We'll try to as soon as we ready, we'll start again processing cold press oil, and we'll make available to you. This is the system which used for the whatever the seeds which is having good and graded seeds we will use for the oil processing. And after that from here it comes to the filter. This is the filter where we after processing from here it comes here. Here we filter the groundnut oil with cleanly to avoid all the small particles, and it comes to the drum here. From here we will pack in bottles and whatever the required quantity. From there we'll bring to the like orders. Thank you. Parth Sarthi from Ananta Naturals, Upanesandapalli, Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh.